Sincere thanks to our Portuguese customers for trusting EagerLED and choosing to purchase our 176 pieces of P2.6 indoor EA500H3 LED screens. EA500H3 rental LED display, with its 500 by 500mm dimensions, stands out for its exceptional quality evident in the meticulous design of various elements such as cabinet handles, fixing slots, quick lock. One of the noteworthy features of EA500H3 series is the use of magnetic LED panels, enabling a front-to-back cabinet design. This innovative design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also facilitates easy installation of the LED panels, making it a user-friendly solution for various applications. The power box and hub board incorporate a detachable hard connection design, ensuring a robust and secure setup. The inclusion of a quick installation buckle for the back cover adds to the convenience of the product. This feature streamlines the installation and removal process, allowing for efficient and hassle-free maintenance. In conclusion, EA500H3 series rental LED display is a testament to superior craftsmanship, incorporating cutting-edge features for ease of use, durability, and resilience in various environments.